Good day, everyone. So today we are going to solve a problem from Striver SD sheet, that is finding element of a linked list, middle element, right? So in this we will be using a basic approach, that is the slow pointer and the head fast pointer approach, right? In case you don't know, so it's simply like we have two pointer, one will be moving one step, the other would be moving at the same time two steps. So basically the idea is when the first would be in the middle, the fast pointer should be at the last, right? Because it was moving double speed. So simply let's start. We are given head, right? So we can do like, okay, so let's have slow and fast, right? Basically you can understand if someone is doing the work with 2x speed, so definitely the normal person would be at the mid, which was initially doing work with x speed, right? So that's the concept, is equal to head comma head, right? So while slow and fast, right? While fast dot next is not none and fast dot next is not none. We will keep doing this thing, right? And fast also is not none. While fast dot next, right? And fast dot next, right? While fast, just checking if it's not an empty list. That could be also while head, no problem, but let's keep it at fast only. So slow is equal to slow dot next and fast is equal to fast dot next, right? And in the last, what you have to do, just return. We have to return list node, right? Okay, if there are two middle nodes, then return the second middle node. Okay, return slow. Okay, uh, let's now quickly dry run this problem. So in the first case it would be like both are at 1, right? The slow is now at 2 and fast is at 3, no problem. Slow is at 3 and fast is at 5. Okay, no problem. Now the loop breaks and okay, we return slow, it's no problem. But in this case, 1 2 3 4 5 6, okay, in case it's an even number, so what we have to do, while the slow is at 2, fast is at 3, slow is at 3, fast is at 5, slow is at 4, uh, wait, slow is at 2, okay, fast is at 3. Now slow goes to 3 and fast goes to 5, no problem. Now at 5 we will be checking if there is fast, yeah, fast dot next, yeah, fast dot next is not there. Okay, so we can't just return this one. Okay, so we have to do one more condition out there. So it could come into else, or just if fast dot next is present, then slow is equal to slow dot next. Yeah, okay, it should work. Okay, we have solved this problem. See you in the next lecture. Thank you. uh, okay, thank you.